Politics is a combination of two words, Raja and Niti. Raja means government and Niti means right hand. That is to rate by particular policy is called politics, in which the politics is to improve the social and economical level of the people. Politicians gives an organized control over human communication, which is referred as a state. Qualification should be important for political ministry. For example, the health minister should be a doctor, sports minister should be a PhD in sports, the financial minister should be a commerce graduate, and agriculture minister should be a master degree in agri. Politicians become powerful administration after winning the elections. Qualification for Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha members. Citizen of India, 25 years of age for Lok Sabha and 30 years age for Rajya Sabha. One should mentally sound, should not have been punished for 2 years or more, should not possess any government office. Qualification for President, citizen of India, 35 years of age, should not have any profited job in central or any state government, should be qualified as a Lok Sabha member. Qualification for Vice President, citizen of India, 35 years of age, should have qualified to be a Rajya Sabha member. Prime Minister qualification, to be a member of Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha member. Vidhan Parishad Legislative Council, Indian, 30 years of age. Vidhan Sabha Legislative Assembly, citizen of Indian, 25 years of age. State Executive Governor, Indian, 35 years of age, be qualified to be a member of Vidhan Sabha. High Court, State Judiciary, Indian less than 62 years must have served as an advocate of any High Court for at least 10 years in India. A politician has to be elected by his good communication skills and qualifications, not by his degrees. Being little is a highly desirable trait, but it cannot mandatory as well. Politicians and Samaj Sevak must be qualified as they can do their work. Thank you.